Sikkim observe a day for Mother Earth. Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang attended the state's biggest environment program under the theme Celebrating Nature at the Pham Bongla Wildlife Sanctuary near Gangtok. Organized under the aegis of Forest, Environment and Wildlife Management Department, the program aims to conserve and promote the environment. A Day for Mother Earth is a wider initiative of the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha government involving environment-friendly activities to address the climate change, which was initiated last year. While a 7 minutes of no vehicular emission was observed across the state. Here's a report. Sikkim's Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang attended the state's biggest environment program, A Day for Mother Earth, at Pham Bongla Wildlife Sanctuary near Gangtok on 7th July. The program was organized under the aegis of the Forest, Environment and Wildlife Management Department and aims to conserve and promote the environment. The Chief Minister also planted a sapling at the premises of the sanctuary. State Forest Minister Karma Lodhe Bhutia, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs and MPs among others were present at the program. A Day for Mother Earth was started last year by Chief Minister P.S. Tamang on 7 July 2019, saying it will be a permanent feature in the forest calendar. The day was celebrated with great zeal and fervor by taking up environment-friendly activities across the state. The day also coincides with the closing day of the Van Mahotsav week, that is from July 1 to 7th. A Day for Mother Earth is a wider initiative of the present government involving environment-friendly activities to address the climate change. Apart from the plantation, Sikkim saw an interesting environmental initiative, that is Sikkim observed 7 minutes of no vehicle plying except emergency vehicles like ambulances, forest, fire services among others, which starts at 11 a.m. and ended at 11:07 a.m. During this time, all vehicles remained standstill. This initiative is being taken keeping the known fact of vehicular pollution releasing carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxide of sulfur and nitrogen contributes to the greenhouse gas effect and thus global warming. This endeavors aim to contribute towards nationally determined contributions and sustained development goals for positive climate actions. A Day for Mother Earth calls for our positive action, which is the need of the hour to safeguard future generation or posterity. Clean and healthy environment starts from a home, hence it is the duty and responsibility of every citizen to be well aware and conscious about environment issues and put green ideas and green good deeds into action. Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang on the occasion also told why only to be dedicated one day for environment. Instead, we all should work for preservation of environment all 365 days. And today is the day we have to pledge to contribute towards preservation of environment, like minimizing the use of plastic and try to recycle and work towards the protection of environment. With Deepak Gurung, Gangtok.